Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Catherine and you're welcome to my little corner of YouTube. So today's video is a product recommendation video. So if you've just gone natural or you're already on your journey and you need a little bit of guidance on what products you should get, especially if you have 4C hair, this video is for you. Now I have to say this list is not exhaustive and I'm not saying everything I'm going to show you here will work for you, but please feel free to tweak it until you have a regimen that works for you. Okay, so let's get into the video. So I will show you the products in the order in which I would carry out a normal wash day. So the first thing I would do would be to pre-poo my hair. If you don't know what a pre-poo is, it's the treatment that you do before you shampoo your hair, so your hair does not totally dry out when you shampoo your hair. So for this I recommend oils, so any kind of oils that you have or you like. It could be coconut, avocado, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil. There's all kinds of oils out there, but I particularly like coconut oil, and I'm not particular about any brand. I just have this one, so you can get any brand of coconut oil that you like. I also do recommend peppermint oil. It's very good for stimulating your scalp and, you know, increasing the blood flow to your scalp. So I really do suggest you get peppermint oil in your natural hair regimen. The next one I would suggest is black castor oil. This has been known to increase the thickness of hair, so if your edges are thinning out or something like that, it's a very good oil to have. And I have the Jamaican black castor oil, the lavender one, any one would do really. And the last oil that I wanted to show you guys is this one from So Much Hair. They are on Instagram. It's a very light oil and it has so many good ingredients in here. So basically what you want to do is get any oil you like or a mix of all the oils you have and just massage it into your scalp and your hair entirely. Cover it and leave it for like 30 minutes to an hour before you shampoo your hair. So this ensures that your hair does not dry out when you shampoo your hair. Okay, the next thing on that I would typically do, the next thing that I would typically do on a wash day would be to shampoo my hair. And for this I recommend that you have two kinds of shampoo, a more moisturizing one and a deep cleansing shampoo. Okay, so for a more moisturizing shampoo I recommend this one from Shea Moisture. It's the 10-in-1 multi-benefit shampoo. It's very good. It has marula oil and biotin. I really like this one. I basically like everything from Shea Moisture, to be honest, but if you're looking for a cheaper version, I also like this one from TRESemme. It's a very massive bottle and yeah, it does the job. It cleanses your hair. Now for a more cleansing type of shampoo, I recommend this one. This is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthening and Restore Shampoo. It has peppermint and apple cider vinegar. And we know apple cider vinegar is very good at clarifying your hair, so I recommend this one if you want to deep clean your hair, probably after a protective styling. So yeah, I recommend that one. But if you don't want to use that one, you don't have access to that one, this bad boy here will save your life. This is basically bentonite clay, so it will clarify your scalp. It's very good for the skin as well, so this is a win-win. You should get this. So typically after shampooing my hair, I will go ahead to condition my hair, and for this I just use any conditioner that has great slip. I like this one from TRESemme. Sorry, it's looking I've pressed it in. This is the one I recommend. It's very cheap, it has great slip. I even use this to detangle my hair. That's how much of a slip that it has. So this is a great one to have. I also like this one. It's a very ginormous bottle. This one is from Giovanni. It's the Deep Moisture Conditioner. It has good slip and it's a very good one as well. And lastly, if you're a Shea Moisture fan like me, you would like this one. This is my favorite line from Shea Moisture. Is the Manuka Honey and Mafara Oil line. This is an intensive hydration conditioner, so this is a good one as well, but it's quite pricey, so you have to be ready. So after conditioning my hair, typically I would go and deep condition my hair. Now this is the fun part for me. This is my best part of wash day. This is when I go crazy, okay? So for deep conditioners, I'll also suggest that you have two types, a more moisturizing deep conditioner and a deep conditioner that has protein inside that you can switch in and out every other week or so. Now my favorite deep conditioner, my favorite deep conditioner of all time is this one. This is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafara Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. I love this product. It is so expensive. That's so annoying that it's so expensive, but I absolutely love this. It will moisturize your hair and it smells absolutely divine. I really love this one. That would be my first recommendation. I told you guys that I love Shea Moisture, so I also like this one, the 10-in-1 multi-benefit hair mask, and also this deep treatment mask from Shea Moisture as well. So I told you guys I don't know if they're still cancelled. I don't know if Shea Moisture is still cancelled, but I really still like them. And for a more affordable option, Cantu is a very good brand. I love Cantu. I love the way the products smell. And this is the deep treatment mask. This is also a very good one. As you can see, I'm almost out. And if you're looking for a very affordable one that still does the job, this is Mega Growth Deep Conditioner. If you're in Nigeria, I got this for 1,680 naira. Look at the big tub that you get. It's really big, so this is a good option as well. Now for the protein side of the deep conditioners, I basically have just one. I haven't seen any other one. I know there's one from Shea Moisture. You can try that one out, but I haven't personally tried it. This is the one that I've tried. This is hair mayonnaise for treatment of weak and damaged hair. It has olive oil and egg protein. I don't use this by itself. Sometimes I just mix this to my deep conditioner, my moisturizing deep conditioner, because it has some protein in it. So after deep conditioning my hair, the next thing, I'm out of the shower and I would want to moisturize my hair. I use the LCO method, that's the liquid, the cream and the oil method. So for the liquid, which is my leave-in, I have this one from Giovanni. It's the direct leave-in weightless moisture conditioner. To be honest, since I went natural, this is the only leave-in that I've used. I haven't tried any other one, so I really cannot recommend, but I heard the one from Cantu is good. You can try it as well. But this is the only leave-in conditioner that I've used since I went natural, and it does the job for me really, so I don't know why I should change it, but I'm open to try out new ones. If you guys know really good leave-in conditioners that are affordable, please let me know. I'd like to try out new ones. So that is my leave-in conditioner. So for cream, I typically just reach out for this Coil and Shine Style Milk from Shea Moisture. It's from the coconut and hibiscus lime. This is really good. It does the job for me. I also like the coconut curling smoothie, but I've run out of that one. For a more affordable option, you can try the coconut curling cream from Cantu. I really I love Cantu generally. This is amazing. I love this product. It will get your hair moisturized. And typically you should be looking for products that have water as the first ingredient. Yeah, this does. So the next thing will be an oil, and we've already talked about oils. You can use the same oils that you use for your Prepoo to seal in your ends, or if you need something thicker, you can get any butter that you like. You can get avocado butter, shea butter, cocoa butter. This is the cocoa butter I have. It is from the Soapery shea butter. To be honest, just get any shea. Well, in Nigeria, so I believe that you'd get original shea butter. So just get shea butter if you need it. If you need something thicker to seal your ends with, that will do the job for you. So typically, after moisturizing your hair, you might want to go ahead and style your hair. Depending on the style you use, you might use a gel. You might need to use a gel, and I recommend Eco Styler gel. I mean, everyone uses this. It gets the job done basically. But for my edges, I haven't really found anything that really lays my edges. Look. Look at my edges that I laid like 30 minutes ago. It's already poofy, so I haven't really found anything that works on my edges particularly, but I just tried this Gorilla Snot Gel, the purple one. It holds it down, but not for a very long time. If I really need my hair to be laid at least for a few hours, and this I don't do every time, I go in with got to be glue. I know this is bad for your hair, I should not even be recommending this, but if you have 4Z edges like me and nothing can lay them down, this will, even with this one, after some hours my hair will still poof off. So guys, I know that I'm the one recommending products here, but if you have any edge control or gel that will lay these edges down for at least 6 hours, I don't know if it's possible, but please let me know. This is just 30 minutes. Look, everything has just scattered. I really don't know what to do though. Please help me out if you have any suggestions for gels that will lay down my 4Z edges. Thank you. So typically they say 6 to 8 weeks or every 2 months or something like that, you should get a protein treatment. I personally recommend that when you see that your hair is limp or your hair is falling out unusually, you should get a protein treatment. I use this one from Afrogy. This one, the Afrogy 2-step protein. This is the protein treatment, this is the balancing moisturizer. I use this as a protein treatment whenever I feel like my hair is weak and it needs some life. I just use it on my hair, so I don't have any particular time, like every month, every 2 months when I use it. So you can do the same. I mean, if you can't get this, you can do DIY protein treatments with egg and mayonnaise and avocado. If you just type DIY protein treatments on YouTube, you'll be amazed at what you can do. Now, I did read that some of the things like they use, like egg, the molecules are too big to penetrate our hair shaft. I really don't know whether it's true or false, but I personally would prefer to eat my eggs and my mayonnaise than put them on my hair, so I go for these ones, okay? Now the next thing is not absolutely necessary at all, because I personally, since I went natural, I haven't really used heat on my hair, but I don't advise that you use heat on your hair always, at least not direct heat, but if you absolutely need to, please get a heat protector. And this one is from TRESemme. It's the heat defense up to 230 degrees protection against heat damage. So please get yourself a heat protector, and if you know that you'll be using heat on your hair constantly. I haven't even used this because I don't use heat on my hair at all. The very last thing that I wanted to say in this video, and I don't know if this will go down well with lots of you, but especially if you're coming from the relaxed hair community and you have products that you don't know what to do with. For example, maybe you can't find someone to give it to you and you don't want to throw it away. Just a little tip: if you have like Blue Magic hair dress or hair cream, you know, all those types of creams that we used to rub on our scalp when we were relaxed, and now you've gone natural and you don't know if you should throw it away. Money is hard to come by, okay? I personally think that you should not throw them away. If you can give them out, you can, but if you cannot give them out and you don't want to throw them away, what I suggest to do, if you have hair creams like this, is use them to seal your hair. Do not put it on your scalp. So after you've applied your leave-in, your cream and oil, you can use it to seal your ends or your hair. It will leave your hair staying moisturized for a longer period of time, and at the same time you get to use your product rather than throw it away. But with this, you would need to clarify your hair more often because you don't want this thing building up on your hair. So it's just a tip, okay? I just wanted to throw that in case someone needed to hear that. So yes, to be honest, that's it for this video. Really, I've gone through my whole wash day. I gave you a high-end and more affordable option of things, so like I said, this might not work for you, but feel free to switch up products and do whatever you like to make sure that it works for you. But one thing I would say is when you're switching out products, do it one product at a time. Don't go and change your shampoo, your conditioner, your deep conditioner at one time, because if your regimen is not working, then you're not exactly sure which one is causing the problem. So if you want to switch something out, switch one thing at a time. So if it doesn't work, you know for sure it's that thing that doesn't work. So yes, thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. If you have any questions or recommendations for future uploads on this channel, please let me know in the comment section. Follow me on Instagram. Jesus Christ, subscribe to my channel. Yes, I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.